Imagine trying to track something you can't directly see, a hidden state. On Wall Street, this could be the true underlying value of an asset or the current market sentiment, which constantly shifts. This is where the Kalman filter comes in. It's a sophisticated algorithm initially developed for aerospace engineering that provides optimal estimates of system states even when measurements are noisy and incomplete. Today, it's a cornerstone for quantitative analysts, empowering them to make better predictions and understand complex financial systems more deeply than ever before. We're going to dive into the mathematical elegance that makes this possible. At its heart, the Kalman filter is an iterative process. It takes a prediction of the current state, combines it with a noisy measurement of that state, and produces a more accurate, refined estimate. It essentially filters out the noise, providing the best possible estimate of the true state given all available information. Think of it as a constant dance between what we expect to happen and what we actually observe. The beauty lies in its ability to quantify and reduce uncertainty over time, offering a clearer picture in a world of ambiguity. The filter operates within a state space model, which describes how a system evolves over time and how its states are measured. We define a state vector, often denoted as xk, representing the true hidden state of the system at time k. For example, xk could contain the true price and velocity of a stock. The model assumes a linear relationship between states, expressed by transition matrices, and accounts for process noise, wk, which represents unmodeled dynamics. The measurement equation relates the observed data, zk, to the true state, corrupted by measurement noise, vk. This foundational framework is crucial for setting up the filter. The first phase of the Kalman filter is the prediction step. Here, the filter projects the current state estimate forward in time to predict the next state. This is done using the system's dynamics model. The predicted state, denoted as hat xk k-1, is calculated from the previous optimal estimate. Simultaneously, the filter predicts the uncertainty associated with this new state, represented by the predicted error covariance matrix, pk k-1. This prediction relies on the previous state estimate and the system's process noise. The relevant equations capture this forward projection of both the state and its uncertainty. Once a new measurement arrives, the filter enters its update phase. This is where the magic happens. The predicted state is refined using the new observation. The core of this update involves calculating the Kalman gain, denoted as kk. This gain determines how much the filter trusts the new measurement versus its own prediction. If the measurement is considered highly reliable, the gain will be large, and the estimate will shift significantly towards the measurement. Conversely, if the measurement is noisy, the gain will be small, and the filter will mostly stick to its prediction. The updated state estimate, hat xk-kk, is a weighted average of the prediction and the measurement. The error covariance matrix, P, is perhaps the most critical component for understanding the filter's performance. It quantifies the uncertainty in our state estimate. A smaller diagonal element in P means higher confidence in that particular state variable. As the filter processes more data, P ideally shrinks, indicating that the filter is becoming more certain about the true state. The prediction step inflates this covariance due to system noise, while the update step reduces it by incorporating new, more accurate information. Tracking P is vital because it directly influences the Kalman gain. On Wall Street, the Kalman filter isn't just theoretical, it's a practical tool. One common application is in pair trading strategies. Here, it can estimate the true spread between two co-integrated assets, helping traders identify when the spread deviates from its equilibrium and predict its mean reversion. It's also used for estimating volatility, tracking hidden market factors, or even modeling interest rate curves. For high-frequency trading, it can provide real-time estimates of an asset's true price, filtering out microstructural noise from order book data. The ability to extract hidden information from noisy data is invaluable for gaining an edge. Consider a stock price. We observe its market price, but we know this price can be noisy, influenced by temporary fluctuations. The Kalman filter can estimate the true underlying price of the stock, a hidden state that we can't directly see. Our prediction step might use a simple random walk model for the true price. When a new trade price comes in, the measurement update combines our predicted true price with the observed trade price. The Kalman gain then decides how much weight to give the new trade versus our prior belief, leading to a more stable and accurate estimate of the stock's intrinsic value over time. The Kalman gain, kk, is the weighting factor that minimizes the error covariance of the estimate. It's calculated using the predicted error covariance, the measurement noise covariance, and the measurement model. Essentially, it tells us how much should we adjust our belief based on this new piece of information. A higher measurement noise means the Kalman gain will be smaller, making the filter trust its predictions more. Conversely, if the measurement is very accurate, the gain will be larger, and the filter will adjust significantly towards the observation. This adaptive weighting is why the Kalman filter is so robust and powerful. The Kalman filter is a testament to the power of mathematical modeling in navigating uncertainty. By iteratively predicting states and refining those predictions with new observations, it provides optimal estimates of hidden variables, even in highly dynamic and noisy environments. From tracking satellites to tracking market sentiment, its algebraic backbone offers a robust framework for making sense of complex data. Its continued relevance in finance underscores the profound impact of combining statistical rigor with elegant linear algebra to reveal the unseen forces shaping our world.